Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Filipina Landlord in America YouTube channel, where we share tips and insights to help you grow your business and thrive as an entrepreneur. Today, we're diving into a topic that every marketer and business owner needs to know: the top financial mistakes marketers make and how to avoid them. These tips will help you save money, increase your ROI, and run smarter campaigns. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our weekly content. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts, and share it with your friends who could benefit from these tips. Let's grow together. Let's dive right in with the first mistake marketers make, top financial mistakes marketers make, and how to avoid them, diving deeper into each of the 10 common mistakes. Marketing is critical for growth, but financial mismanagement can waste time, effort, and resources. Today, we'll explore the 10 most common financial mistakes marketers make and provide actionable strategies to avoid them. Whether you're a small business owner, a seasoned marketer, or just starting, this guide will help you maximize ROI and create cost-effective campaigns. Number 1. Not setting a clear budget. The mistake: many marketers jump into campaigns without a defined budget. This often leads to overspending on less important aspects or underspending where it matters most. How to avoid it: start with a plan. Use past campaign data or industry benchmarks to guide your budget. For instance, allocate 7 to 10% of revenue to marketing and divide it into categories: ads, content, tools, etc. Create a buffer. Include a 10 to 15% contingency fund for unexpected expenses. Example: a $50,000 marketing budget might allocate $20,000 for ads, $15,000 for content creation, $10,000 for software, tools, and $5,000 for testing and contingencies. Number 2. Failing to track ROI. The mistake: marketers often launch campaigns without systems to measure ROI. This makes it impossible to determine which strategies are working. How to avoid it: implement tracking tools. Use platforms like Google Analytics, Facebook Ads Manager, or HubSpot to measure metrics like clicks, conversions, and revenue. Set specific goals. Define what success looks like. For example, achieve a 30% increase in email signups within 3 months. Analyze regularly. Review metrics weekly or monthly to adjust underperforming strategies. Real-world tip: a small e-commerce business might spend $1,000 a month on Facebook ads. If the campaign generates $5,000 in sales, that's a 400% ROI worth scaling up. Number 3. Overspending on ineffective channels. The mistake: marketers sometimes pour money into platforms that don't resonate with their audience, leading to wasted resources. How to avoid it: know your audience, conduct surveys, or use analytics tools to understand where your customers are most active. Start small, run small test campaigns on new platforms before committing to larger budgets. Shift focus as needed. If Instagram ads yield better results than LinkedIn for your audience, shift more funds there. Example: a bakery might assume Facebook is the best platform, but analytics show Instagram stories drive more engagement. Adjusting the budget accordingly ensures better results. Number 4. Neglecting long-term strategies. The mistake: focusing solely on short-term gains, such as immediate sales, can overlook the importance of building a sustainable marketing foundation. How to avoid it: invest in SEO. Organic traffic builds over time, providing lasting value. Email marketing: nurture leads with consistent, valuable communication. Balance efforts. Dedicate a percentage of your budget to long-term strategies like blog content or YouTube videos that can drive traffic for years. Example: a $1,000 investment in an evergreen blog post about best practices for home gardening can generate consistent traffic and leads for years compared to a 1-month ad campaign. Number 5. Ignoring the power of automation. The mistake: handling repetitive tasks manually wastes time and money that could be better spent on strategy or creative work. How to avoid it: leverage tools. Use software like Hootsuite for social media, MailChimp for email, or Salesforce for CRM. Example: automating an email drip campaign can save hours while improving customer engagement. Start small. Most tools offer free trials or low-cost starter plans to help you test their value. Tip: an online course creator used automation to send personalized follow-ups, increasing sales by 25% with minimal additional effort. Number 6. Not testing enough. The mistake: some marketers skip testing campaigns, missing opportunities to optimize and improve results. How to avoid it: run A/B tests, experiment with different headlines, visuals, or CTA letters to see what works best. Test in phases. Start with a small budget to test ideas before scaling up. Track results. Use analytics to compare performance and choose the most effective option. Example: a real estate company ran two ad versions, one focused on luxury and the other on affordability. Testing revealed that affordability resonated more, guiding future campaigns. Number 7. Overlooking content quality. The mistake: some marketers prioritize creating lots of content quickly, sacrificing quality and audience engagement. How to avoid it: focus on value. Ensure content is informative, engaging, and relevant to your audience. Repurpose content. Turn a single piece of content into multiple formats, like turning a blog into social media posts, videos, or infographics. Invest in professionals. Hire skilled writers, designers, or videographers for key projects. Real-world tip: a YouTube video with well-researched content and professional editing can attract thousands of views, leading to higher ROI than low-quality alternatives. Number 8. Skipping regular audits. The mistake: marketers often fail to review spending and campaign performance, leading to inefficiencies. How to avoid it: schedule monthly reviews. Regularly assess where money is going and what's delivering results. Adjust as needed. Stop funding underperforming campaigns and reallocate to successful ones. Example: if a Google Ads campaign isn't converting, review targeting or adjust keywords. Number 9. Underestimating training and education. The mistake: sticking to outdated methods or tools can put you behind competitors. How to avoid it: invest in learning, take courses, attend webinars, or get certifications. Leverage free resources. Platforms like HubSpot, Google, and LinkedIn offer excellent free tutorials. Example: a small business owner learned SEO basics through a free course and saved thousands on hiring an agency. Lastly, number 10. Forgetting to allocate a contingency fund. The mistake: unexpected expenses can derail campaigns if no extra funds are available. How to avoid it: set aside 10 to 15%. Use this for last-minute boosts, unexpected software needs, or seizing sudden opportunities. Example: a viral trend might require a quick ad campaign. Your contingency fund makes this possible. Conclusion: avoiding these financial mistakes ensures marketers get the most out of their budgets. By planning ahead, tracking results, focusing on quality, and staying adaptable, you can maximize ROI and grow sustainably. And that's a wrap on today's video. Now you know the top financial mistakes marketers make and, more importantly, how to avoid them. I hope these tips help you manage your marketing budget more effectively and get the best results for your business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the Filipina in America YouTube channel. Like this video to show your support. Comment below and share your own experiences with marketing challenges. And don't forget to share this video with anyone who could benefit from these tips. Lastly, hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we post new content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.